Okay. A short one. There we go. I want a bigger one that I lit. I want to lit this up.
Oh, you can do it.
Okay. I do it.
You did it. You say, I did it.
I did it.
Good job.
Everyone, Merry Christmas. With all the house and all the cars and presents and the cars and McQueen.
And McQueen? Should we open it now or tomorrow? It's not yet Christmas. No, it's not yet Christmas. It has to be on the Christmas morning so that tomorrow we have an event. We have
Santa's
something to
coming.
look forward to. Oh, let's go take pictures.
I want to take pictures
Oh, sige na,
too.
we take pictures with Nanay.
I want to take a picture too.
Dali na anak kasi I'm running out of time na
No, I need to take a picture too.
Walang ilaw.
Ah, no!
What?
Walang ilaw.
Why no?
So, walang ilaw.
A picture magazine.
There's no light.
Oh, no. Say hi to the people. Hi.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
everyone.
Daddy,
You say Merry Christmas.
Say maligayang Pasko.
magagandang Christmas.
You want you? Sino kain na?
Kakain tayo.
Sarap.
Masarap ang ating mga plato.
Uy, ano, video call na mga lola, nay. Ay, tulog na ba? Oh.
I want a spoon.
Wait lang.
He's so hungry.
Kinuha niya. Alam mo kung anong gusto niya kainin. Hindi yung reindeer.
Pwede kainin na ang reindeer.
Tayo ay ano pa. May work. Tawag ng ano. Tawag ng pangangailangan.
Tabi ka na lang kay Tio, nay.
Sige.
Diyan ka na lang sa tabi ni Tio. Ito, how about you try to eat some fish, anak? Oh, it's so nice. Oh.
Now.
I don't like that one. I don't like that one.
You need to eat some fish first, mahal ko.
I
Some
don't like
fish
I
first.
don't like it. It's eerie. It's
It's
so
not, say
Ah.
Pero nakataniko. Ate, salmon.
Saan mo Ate Cruz?
Mainit mainit yung ilalim kasi kalalabas ko lang ng ano. It's baked salmon. Ako tuloy, ano ako. Alam mo yung parang feeling ko full ako kasi ako yung nagluto. Lahat na ng amoy na ano ko na.
May mga alikabok na leader.
Kadiri ka naman. Sana hindi mo na lang sinabi.
Tingnan yan, parte na yan, vitamina.
At least kahit may work, hindi na lang may 20 pa pick up mo. Okay pa yan. Ano yung hang? Okay. Okay, buti. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung sa sweeter side eh. Pinoy style ba? Hindi mo kasi ng hangin lang. Kaya,
Ay, anak, you should
wala
eat
rin
some.
basmont eh.
Yeah?
No, that's my cake.
You can't be eating just this. You need to eat something else.
Isahan ko na lang kayo.
Oh, sige, oo. Kumain ka muna ng fish, oh. Tsaka iyan,
Fish.
fish,
Ay,
oh.
oh, dali na, dali na.
I'll take that away.
Nakain ko kasi ng ano. At saka yung natira niyang kanin kanina.
Christmas na yun. Christmas na na.
Merry Christmas! Uy, ang sarap! Oo, ito.
Ito.
I love the fish. It's so awesome.
Sarap yung pagkakakumain ng mga kasi bawang sa
Buti na lang, meron kasi ako yung...
Bigyan mo ako yung pasta.
Nandito yung asin ha, kasi sabi ko sa'yo, matabang talaga siya. Bakit yan talaga?
wala ka.
Kala ko nga nung una, kinakabahan kaya akong gawin to kasi kako baka mamaya maging scrambled egg eh.
Okay na, okay na. Ulaman na lang ito dahil ito medyo maalat.
Yun ba talaga lasa niya? Basta parmesan cheese lang yan eh, tsaka itlog. Kasi siya daw kasi namili niyan. Mas pinili niya yan
Oh, yan
kaysa
ba yung pinalikan mo sa ano?
mas pinili niya yan kaysa dun sa snowman. Buti na lang kasi ang laki-laki ng snowman. Tsaka puro fondant yun. Nice. Ang sarap.
Okay na din. Simple lang muna eh.
Hindi pa ako napagod. Hindi pa ako napagod. Kasi itong pasta wala pang 30 minutes kung niluluto. Nakabake ko. Wala talaga. Hindi talaga ako napagod ng magluto. Katulad niya sa Pilipinas.
Hiya, good morning.
Wow! There's a lot of presents! Wow! That's from Nanay and Tatay. What will you say to Nanay and Tatay?
Nanay and tatay and titas and titos
Titas and titos.
and lolas.
Happy? Happy, look at that big one. Are you excited to open that big one? Okay, go on.
How about you open the small ones first? What do you want to open? Oh, sige, sige. Open that dito. Dito. Hindi man lang natin siya na-picturean. Hindi man lang na-picturean. Smile! Take a picture.
Tia, Tia, look.
Oh, I'll open no. I'll open it. No, okay, here you go.
Look here. Smile, Tia. Wow! How about you open the other gifts?
I want this one.
Wow!
Wow, I think you will be happy. That one. Come on. Whoa!
What is it?
What is it? What is that, Tatay? Oh,
Whoa! You show it to the camera.
it's a guitar! Yay!
Look at me, look at me. You say thank you, Tito Jan.
Wow!
You're cold. You look like you're cold.
Just excited.
Aba. Aba. Can I help you with that?
Open the other presents.
Sige, other presents na muna, mahal ko. Wow.
How about this
Wow.
one, Tio?
Ah, sige, sige.
Tio, how about
I think,
this one?
I think he
This
wants
one,
to try
this
it
one.
out.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, you go, anak. Oh. Can you give me a scissor? please?
Whoa! Wow!
Who's that guy?
Wow!
Wow. Okay, we can open that later, love. Oh, look. Isugito.
Ano ba kasi?
Wow! It's just like... Ang dami na. Sige na. Wow!
Oh, now open the presents. Oh, open the other presents. Later. Open that one first. Later na yan. Later na. Bubuksan mo yan lahat. Dali, that one. You still have the big one, no? Oh, open that one. Dali. Ano kaya yan? Open. Come on, tear it up.
Tear it up.
Wow! What's that? What's that?
It's a...
It's a Lego!
Uh,
Wow! Oh, you still have two small ones. Napakaswerteng bata. You like the wrapper? Lightning McQueen. I'll help you with that.
Doesn't matter.
Wow! Wow!
What is that?
Wow! Wow! It's a Lego construction zone. Construction cars.
Look. Stand up and playing guitar.
That's funny for you open.
First. Whoa.
Wow!
Wow.
Don't know. Ang cool. Open the other presents, dali.
What do you think? You think? Lola Jo for this. Sabi mo, thank you Lola Jo. This is from Lola Jo and this the Hot
Ay.
Wheels. It's okay.
Sige, sige.
This one is from Tito Jo.
Wow!
Wow! Say thank you Tito Josh. You know what this is? It's a soccer game. Football.
Table. Wow!
Wow.
And now, are you ready for that one?
Are you ready for the big one?
Okay.
Slow motion.
It's just a box. What is that? Oh! Tinawi mo ko, oh. Tinawi mo. turn it over so that you can see the stickers. Oh! Wow! What's
Muntik
that?
na ma-disaster yung base ko ah.
Gusto natin na. Tayo natin din. What's that? Is it the ultimate garage? Huh?
What?
Wow!
What's the dragon?
That's from Nanay and Tatay.
From nanay and tatay.
Are you happy with all your toys?
Yeah, because mommy is different.
No!
Because
Okay. But it's from nanay and tatay too, okay? What are you gonna tell nanay and tatay?
Oh,
Oh.
you're welcome. A kiss, kiss. Hug.
I love you so much. How about you go clean up muna and then we can go play and say Merry Christmas.
All the wrappers here. No.
It's so
Oh my God.
scary. Dito nga ako parang pantay tayo. Oh no. City of Cork. Up here.
Kalong nakakatakot.
Kaya nga lumipat ako dito eh.
Takot ako. Ang hangin pa naman siya. Ay, parang mali ata tayo. No, nanay is scared.
At least we're together.
Oh my God.
it's okay. We get candy.
We get what?
That is Saint Wilbur's.
Fingers. Yeah, we're going down now. It's over.
Oh no, it's not.
It's not yet over. Ang tapang nga. You're not afraid at all?
You're not afraid.
You're brave? Basta may nakasalpak sa bibig, he's not bothered by anything. Oh, you like it? This is cool.
Grabe na, kinilig yung
Is it cloud?
Yes, it is. You're gonna get dizzy. Napakahusay.